ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ki Jylla ki basong basa ki tingrod ki la Kynnoh badegi samla Khasi ki Sdang Nyngkong bad panmi huri hura. Habi keren bad uwe naki ulaong bakladan ka jingania bad ka jinga syo yadat akamit pratari ulber arjar arpsau nakadaw bakadan kawe kali ka bakhang lenti yu parajong u. Bad kata ka kam ka bamenmit ulaong baklakut no kumtahi. Nrai ha ka step ka babot pad ulaong bak samla Khasi ki lawan kumbalai phone de sau phongut bad ki wat yu parajong u. Bad hakata ka jingwan joki ki ong baki kwa bad karnia sukno. Henrai kila syok pan yu para jong u bad mentau dan po civil hospital bola mensau. Bad dai hangta baka sedang mi ka huri hura. Kamadian ki polit lawan syakani ki jaka ban le ya kabdan kam.
See, the actual incident happened. My brother, he was parking the car inside last night. Okay. So this taxi driver came from civil side. He blocked the car. My brother's car. He was keep on honking. My brother, he said, could you please move the car a little bit so I can put the car inside. One scooty guy came from down. He was a trouble guy, only Khasi guy. He hit the car actually. And they started fighting. My nephew went to stop them. And this taxi driver, he hit my nephew. That's how the incident started. So what had happened last night happened. They like stopped each other. Everything was fine. They said done, no problem. And this morning again they came around 30-40 guys. They said we came to compromise. I don't know what exactly happened. I wasn't here. They came and they started hitting like my brothers. That's how it started. You know, now everything, the shops are closed. They're hitting like random people also. They said they came to compromise. I don't know yet what happened.
Is your brother injured?
Yeah, my brother is injured.
Where is he now?
He's in civil hospital for medical only. Both side, yeah, both side. My brother, actually, they hit my sisters also, my auntie also, she got injured badly. They said they came to compromise. I told them, if you really want to compromise, you could have come only 1 or 2 guys, talk to me, we'll solve the problem. They came around 40 and they said they came to compromise. I actually don't know how they came, like what motive they came. They came in mob, they said they came to compromise. They didn't even talk nicely, they came and they just charged my brothers. We have the CCTV, they are like blaming us now, we hit them first, but we have CCTV footage. They came and hit like our brothers, you know. Who's brought?
Yeah, those.
I exactly don't know because they brought weapons. They hit my brother with spanner actually. Cross range. They hit my brother's head. I don't know. Who brought what? I exactly don't know what happened. I was not in the scenario. I came late till I reached late. Police want to control the situation. They just want compromise between us. But the hit member, they said if the law can't control, we will control. I don't know what they mean by that. That's it. I hope everything gets solved.